Hello everyone. Let's make a new recipe. This is going to be a very different, elegant, and very crunchy. And you want to eat like continuously munch, munch, munch. Okay. And every time I will make something for my kid, my daughter, she likes to munch after lunch. After 1 hour, she keep asking me I want something to munch. I want something to munch. So I always make some and the other ingredients. As you can see here, there is a nuts, caramelized nuts. I have shown the video also last time. I have shared the link here in the description. Do check that one. But now today we can make this one crunchy munchy and it's very simple. Okay, let's start. For this we need 1 cup of raw peanuts. It's not roasted one, it's a raw one. And we are going to add jaggery. Yes, jaggery. That one, half cup. 1 cup peanuts, raw peanuts, and half cup jaggery. So just add to the mixer grinder. And 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can take here 1/4 teaspoon also, doesn't matter. Like if you like the taste, you can add little more. So that's it, only three ingredients, and grind this, not paste like no smooth powder. There should be little big pieces also in between. So this I have grinded little more small powder kind of thing, but you can make even the thicker pieces left like that itself, then that will be also nice. So see, take a oven plate like a tray, then add this mixture and spread that evenly, properly everywhere. And I didn't apply anything, no grease, nothing. Just you can put that if you have a baking tray. So just keep this in a oven. See, I have spread this properly, right? And just keep that in oven. And the temperature you can set between like 160 to 80, or till 200 also you can keep, but keep one eye on that. Approximately like 15 to 20 minutes in between, you come and check it. Okay, see, it not yet done, but what you have to do is like you have to just in between you have to mix the thing with the spoon, with the help of spoon. And 2 times you can do it in between. See, because of that, it's not going to stuck, and it will roast everywhere properly, evenly. See, it's done. Very easy, right? How much time it took only for baking? That's it. But the effort is only little less, right? Wow, see, so delicious, and you believe me, when you taste this, and it will be like mind blowing for you, like wow, so delicious, you will say this word, yes. And this thing will go with everything, like you can put this as a ice cream topping, or you can give it as a like this also. I have put that one layer of crunchy munchy and the coconut layer and the apple layer. So any fruits you can use it, or you can use it as a salad dressing also. Sometimes if you need some speedy kind of thing, you can just sprinkle this on salad also. And anywhere, like you can carry this for traveling. It's very easy, and it's a peanut, right? And it will fill your stomach also, you won't be hungry. So this is very easy, and easy to carry everywhere. So much fun to do also. I enjoy it doing this one. Actually, the recipe came to me as an accident. I was doing a um peanut laddu, and what I have done is like I have put the raw peanut one. I thought it's a roasted one, and I put the raw one and I grind it. And I was thinking like I can't make the laddus now. So what I did is like just I kept that in a oven, and it came out very delicious. I didn't make a laddu. I just ate it like that, and I gave to my daughter and my husband. And I took this Satvik meetup also. And we have gathered last Sunday. We have for Satvik people in Bangalore. This one, everyone liked it. Even I felt very happy that it's very delicious. And you want to see? Come with me. So we went through metro to Kapan Park. There we were having a get together around morning 7:30. We started this and we did yoga and lot of interaction like talk everything and afterwards like we had played games and fun activities and made a new friends. Yeah, and it was awesome that day. We went till 11, 12 o'clock we were there and we dispatched, and it was very memorable day for us. We did lot of fun. Okay, here is the some glimpse of that. You can see it. It's beautiful. Just go through it. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Namaste.
Ice cream. Very nice.
If you ask like this, right?
What you want? Yes, we also want.
Yeah, take. Arjun. Thank you. Arjun, try this. Nodi, ಹೊಸ ರೆಸಿಪಿ.
Plain water you take.
Did you try? You can do. How is it? Very nice. Is it peanuts? Peanut is there. Yeah. But we won't get this crunchy thing. That crunchiness is really very good. Really that peanut, every bite of that crunch, you will get that peanut taste and the jaggery taste. Yes. That is the difference area. This much. Thank you. But
You should eat like a prasad.
Name no for this. What is
Crunchy topping
crunchy topping?
on ice cream.
Yeah, on ice cream or salad
Or cake.
smoothie or smoothie.
Crunchy kaban.
Crunchy kabban.
I have
Because
I
we
have
met
not
in
kept
Kabban
the
Park.
name.
Crunchy
You guys
munchy.
suggested. No, what is it made of?
Crunchy munchy.
Peanuts
And jaggery.
Jaggery is there. Peanut jaggery is there.
No, it's for her.
Crunchy munchy.
Crunchy munchy. Yeah, crunchy munchy is also nice.
Crunch munch.
Crunch munch.
Peanut crunch munch.
You should not say peanut. People should find out what's in it. Yeah. What peanut crunch munch? Or peanut crunch?
Crunch munch.
Crunch munch.
Name it being discovered.
Yeah.
Yeah.